Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Most front-load washer repairs require the removal of the washer's main top or the front or rear panels. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance first. To remove the main top, first uninstall the screws at the rear. Now slide the top back approximately 1 inch. Then lift up to remove. To remove your washer's rear panel, simply uninstall the mounting screws and pull the panel up and out. The removal of the front panel is more involved. First, use a flathead screwdriver or a spring expansion tool to help remove the clamp from the door boot seal. Peel the boot seal off the lip of the front panel and move it out of the way. Now depress the tab to release the wire connector from the door latch. Next, open the pump filter cover and unclip the drainage tube. Remove the filter housing mounting screw and pull out the housing. With the housing out, remove the lower front panel mounting screw. Assuming the main top is already removed, pull out the dispenser drawer, depress the locking tab, and remove the drawer from the control panel. Remove the front control panel mounting screws and the rear control panel mounting screw. Now, moving from left to right, detach the control panel mounting tabs and move the panel out of the way. You can now remove the upper front panel mounting screws and lift the front panel up and out. To reinstall the front panel, align the tabs in the cabinet base with the slots in the panel and secure the front panel mounting screws. Reposition the control panel and snap it into place. Reinstall the mounting screws in the front and in the back. Replace the dispenser drawer. Replace the lower front panel mounting screw. Reinsert the pump filter housing and secure the screw. Clip the drainage tube into the housing and close the cover. Snap the door latch wire connector into place and realign the door boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Reinsert the boot clamp into the seal's outer groove with the spring at the bottom. Using a spring expansion tool to widen the spring will make this step easier. Reinstall the rear panel by sliding it into place and securing it with the screws. Replace the main top by sliding it into position and securing the screws at the rear. With the washer reassembled, you can now plug the appliance back in.